In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Notion. Whether you're planning a big event, working on a project deadline, or simply want to keep track of time for any purpose, a countdown timer can be a valuable addition to your Notion workspace. So, grab your Notion app and let's get started. First, we'll begin at the Notion homepage. Once you're there, navigate to the workspace where you want to add your new countdown timer. It's important to choose the right workspace, as this is where you'll be managing and viewing your timer regularly. Once you've selected your preferred workspace, tap in the space where you want to insert your countdown. Here, you'll need to start typing the / key, followed by the word embed. Typing these commands will bring up a list of options and quick functions you can add to your page. Next, from the options that appear, click on Embed to proceed. This action will open up a new window where you'll be asked to enter a link. Now here comes an important part. You'll need a specific URL for the countdown timer. If you need time to find or note down this URL, I recommend pausing the video here. Once you've got your URL ready, paste it into the designated section in that window. Just as a reminder, taking your time to ensure you've copied the correct URL is key here, as it will directly influence the timer's functionality. After you've pasted the URL, go ahead and click on the Embed Link button. This will insert the countdown timer into your workspace page. You'll see the timer appear, but it might not be the exact size you want just yet. Lastly, make sure to resize the countdown timer to fit your needs and preferences. You can drag the corners to increase or decrease its size. This ensures that it integrates seamlessly into your existing setup, making it both aesthetically pleasing and easy to use. And there you have it. You've successfully added a countdown timer to your Notion workspace. Now you can manage your time efficiently and stay on track with your projects and events. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.